another video with
Comedian
and Fox. So today you are watching the news and you hear that there's a zombie outbreak. So this is a new series we're going to be doing, and well, here are 6 DIY zombie survival hacks. So we're going to start off with a spear. So you're going to need a weapon, and right here I have this piece of wood. And I'm going to save you the trouble of cutting it. So I already did that right here. I think there's a zombie. I think I got him. Oh no, he's coming back. I think that scared him off enough. I'm going to be making a really quick and easy first aid kit. So you're just going to grab a bag, plastic bag, and you're going to need some medical supplies. So right here, I'm going to be using some bandages. So you're just going to put your medical supplies in the bag, and now you have a little first aid kit. I think I got hurt. Hold on. I'm going to need to use my med kit. Okay, that should fix my life. The third survival tip, a water filter. So, as you can see, you're going to need just a water bottle. As you can see, I cut a hole, and you're going to need some rocks and some sand. Sadly, I don't have that, and my cuts were too big. Yeah, you're going to put this in, and then you're going to put dirty water through the top, and it's going to filter it out. So, that's pretty cool. Oh, I've been walking for so long. Oh yeah, my water filter. Here, there is some fresh water. Okay. Oh, that actually tastes so good. Yeah, that works. Just make sure. Maybe you should put more sand and stuff. We have a board game. So you're going to use some cardboard, and these are the crayons that you'll need. Or markers. You can use markers or colored pencils. So it's a guessing game. So you start here and you slowly move up to the W, where is the win. And how you play is you have 2 characters, also made out of cardboard. And you pick a number in between 1 and 20. So if they get it, they move up 2. If they get in with 5, they move up 1. And this can be pretty fun. You can play this for hours, but you do need two people who are playing. It's pretty cool. In this zombie apocalypse. Hey, I can use this board game I made. I don't have any friends, so I can make up a way to play. Ooh. This is fun. It can be fun with 2 friends, too. This is a zombie trap, so this should slow them down, if not stop some zombies. It's made of 3 pieces of wood, and then I just tied a little bit of rope/string around it. And you can do this right at home. Yeah, this should help if any zombies are coming towards you, and they should get kind of tangled in there. I think I can trap him with this. Yeah, that really worked. You're going to want to grab a backpack and put the following items in it. The board game. Hold on, let me grab that. The board game. Rope/string. The water filter. Oh, there we go. Your homemade or regular first aid kit. Some sticky notes or paper, toenail clippers, TP or toilet paper, any can like beans or anything, a pencil or writing tool, a portable phone charger or charger, your cell phone, but I'm using that to record, bottled water or purified water, flashlight, make sure it has batteries. You're gonna want some sunglasses. You can't, this is an optional one, hairbrush. You can use a lantern, a pocket knife, a utility knife. So this just has like filers and stuff. A dice, just in if you want, you can take a dice. And you should finish up by carrying your spear at all times, just in case any zombies want to come and eat you. It's crazy in here. Luckily, I do have my backpack with me with all my supplies. There's so many zombies. I have to go. But leave a like. If we reach 10, we'll double this, 10 likes, I'll do a part 2 of this. Okay, like, subscribe if you like this kind of content. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye!